In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 158 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 1. It is less than 2. That is why we will consider the number 15. We know that 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, we get 1. Now, because 1 is less than 2, that is why we will bring down this adjacent 8 here. And we know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 158 divided by 2 is equal to 79. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.